XOXO here. Today I'm revealing the full T4TD Designs new release for January. This video is a compilation of all the week's previous countdown reveals, and all of the products in today's video are available now at the T4TD Designs website. Our Enjoy the Little Things stamp and die set has 5 cute characters, all carrying their favourite treats. These happy critters can be paired with a variety of fun sentiments that are great for all kinds of occasions. Create some fun scenes encouraging a friend to treat themselves to their favourite treat. Our Sweet Village stamp and die set can be used for a variety of fun scenes. You can dress up your buildings with the selection of signs and accessory stamps that are included to make a collection of adorable shops or cafes, or you can leave them as they are to make a fun and colourful village scene. Our cute little dog and cat make the perfect residents on any street that you create. The stitched slimline slopes die is going to be the perfect accompaniment to your scene building stamps. Use the die in portrait or landscape for different effects. Whether your slopey cuts are snow or grass or waves or even roads, you are sure to have lots of fun with this must-have die. The sky really is the limit with our next slimline die. Cut your cardstock to create a beautiful paper pieced or ink blended background that will complement your other T4TD products perfectly. Team the joyful rainbow and cloud backdrop with a bold sentiment to really brighten someone's day, or pair with your T4TD characters for endless fun and possibilities. Our Cafe Critters stamp and die set will give you the perfect reason to catch up with friends. Your cafe pals can enjoy a coffee or a croissant sitting outside their favourite cafe, or you can sit them at the stylish bistro table, which is the perfect place for them to gossip over brunch. The Love Intertwined die will make the perfect focal point on all of your cards. This delicate frame can be paper pieced with coloured cardstock or ink blended to create the most stunning sentiment. Team with your T4TD characters for the perfect way to say how you feel about someone. The simple slimline nesting dies are a must-have set for any crafter. If you love slimline card shapes like we do, then this set is for you. Layer up your cardstock and patterned paper with ease. You can use the smaller dies for sentiment banners and create fabulous frames for your T4TD characters. This is a definite staple for anyone's crafty stash. The We Go Together stamp and die set is packed with fun puns and characters that will be perfect to let someone know what they mean to you. You can add expressive faces to each of the 5 characters to bring them to life, and maybe they could even represent the recipient. This versatile set is sure to bring a smile to everyone's face, no matter the season. The Love You Lots large sentiment die will make a great focal point for your cards. Use your sparkly cardstock or your metallics, or simply use coloured cardstock to make a huge statement. Add dimension by layering multiple die cuts and team with your T4TD design characters and dies to make the ultimate expression of how much you care. Our A2 Stitched Hearts die set has limitless possibilities. It fits your A2 US size card bases perfectly for that perfect frame or background. Use the stitched rectangle die as a focal area or aperture, and then add even more potential with the heart shapes and small candy inspired sentiments. A die set sweet enough for any project. The Let's Spoon stamp and die set is full of fun, cheeky pun sentiments and their coordinating characters. Create unique cards for Valentine's Day or birthdays that show how you care in a sassy and mischievous way. The fabulous font in the bold sentiment stamps and die set will really make a statement on all of your projects. The set comes with larger words in this stylish font and smaller complementary phrases to allow you to build your own special messages. Use the coordinating dies to add extra dimension and impact. Mix and match with your other T4TD design stamps and dies to make something really special and unique. Our geometric snowflakes cover die really is something of a chameleon when it comes to creating beautiful backdrops for your projects. Add colour behind the die to allow it to really pop, or ink blend an ombre finish before cutting to highlight the pattern. Depending on how you style your die, you may see snowflakes, cubes, flowers or diamonds. Whichever you see, this die will always make a stunning feature. That completes our countdown of the January new release. Thank you so much for joining me. Please do head to the Time for Tea Designs website now to see all of the items from today's video.